Most men think of how to impress women and what matters the most in men for them. Well, today in this video, I'm going to tell you the most common thing women observe in men. The thing with what women observe is quite different from men. When it comes to men, we observe external features. Like facial cuteness, eyes, hair, lips. It's like almost all the external features of women. Yes, women do observe external features in men. But, apart from external features, there's a lot most that matter to women. So, guys, take note of these points. Most probably you are going to find all of these helpful on your next date. So, let's get started. Number 1, physical stature. The most observable thing in any man is his height and weight. As height cannot be controlled, at least don't gain extra fat and unnecessary weight on your body. Too much or too little of both look bad and is an immediate turnoff. The way you control your body fat explains how important your physical health is to you. All the other features like confidence come next. I'm not telling you to work out and gain muscles like He-Man. The key factor here is to stay fit for your age and height. The acceptable height range influenced by women is their own height and weight. Number 2, appearances and attractiveness. Making effort to keep yourself hygienic is attractive, so do the looks. Women observe the way you dress, the way you smell, the way you take care of your body. The color with which does not matter. The only thing which matters is the way you maintain it. If you can't make the effort, women certainly are not going to work hard to learn more about you. The only thing I can tell you is to smell good and dress decently. Just put in some effort. Number 3, smile. Once women are done assessing your overall build, women will look at your smile. A very healthy and genuine smile associated with flirty eye contact is what women really get attracted to. It's a seductive trait women subconsciously fall for. This can be mastered if and only if you leave all about what others think about what you do. This particular trait needs some practice. It takes time, but it's worth it. A smile is what brings a connection between two unknowns. White teeth and a refreshing breath can bring huge confidence to the way you smile. Number 4, confidence. Women find confident men attractive. Within the first few minutes of the meeting, women will not only check out their confidence level but also interpret the vibes you give out. In order to bring up the most confident side of yours, you need to dress decent, have proper hygiene and make yourself feel comfortable in the first place. You should bring up the best out of you. Just start imagining this scenario and start talking in front of the mirror. Trust me, this is gonna work. Confident men are really very attractive and seductive to women. Being confident helps you in being flirty, it helps you in feeling free touching women, it helps with proper eye contact. The best part of confidence is, you can do all these on a subconscious level. That is what makes the real difference. Number 5, conversation. Men have successfully given womankind the impression of being strong and silent. So women aren't expecting you to have mad talking skills. The more time we give women to decode us, the more they are going to get attracted. Women want to know a lot about others and their lives. So, guys, take it really slow. Spend quality time knowing each other. But keep in mind to never reveal all happy, sad, and adventurous moments all at once. Tell her one by one, take time in doing that. A good conversation includes humor as well. It's really attractive. That's it for today. With that being said, thank you for watching.